Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Afternoon. I don't even know.
Almost, yeah.
It's a late
We're
start
pushing
for us.
it. Yeah, we got a late start this morning. We've just been exhausted. It's been like rolling into camp kind of late in the afternoons, trying to get as much in as we can, and then of course getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning and getting our day started so we can drive and get where we're going, so we can enjoy where we're going. So it's been long days, so we're a little late getting started this morning because we only got like an hour drive to Hoover Dam. We are still in Chloride, Arizona. It is a beautiful view here.
Beautiful weather.
Yeah, it's beautiful weather. It's going to be like 60 today. It's gorgeous. Blue's down here just chilling. She was on her bed outside this morning sunning because that's what she loves to do. So yeah, Blue really appreciates the change in weather and being in Arizona in the sunshine as opposed to up in the mountains where it was snowing all day yesterday. But it's going to be a great day. We're going to do some exploring around Hoover Dam and then probably make our way towards where are we going to?
Sequoia?
Sequoia, to the Sequoia National Forest. So we'll make our way that direction. But yeah, just going to enjoy the day, enjoy the sunshine, and we'll be checking in later. Y'all have a great day.
See y'all soon.
And we're off. Day 8. Here we go.
North toward Boulder City. Welcome to Nevada.
Welcome to Nevada. Yeah, you can get over. Welcome to Nevada. Riding our bikes from the Lake Mead Recreation Area over to the Hoover Dam. Pretty awesome. Woohoo!
How are we doing?
We're doing great. It's This is totally awesome. What an amazing ride. That's been a great trip so far. Very cool adventure. Hey guys, it's Mike and Jen checking in with you guys. Hey, we made it to the Hoover Dam. We're standing right here on the actual spillway. It is so cool, very impressive. You can see all the mountains around us. It's very, very cool. You can see back here. Look at that, it's just amazing. I don't care how many pictures and videos you take, it just doesn't really do it justice until you get here and look at it. But we also rode the historic rail trail over on the other side, on the Lake Mead side, and rode from the Lake Mead Visitor Center all the way down to the dam and then all the way back. We did have to leave Blue in the RV with the windows open though. They don't let dogs in here. No,
only service animals.
No dogs on the dam, so we did have to leave her behind, but we won't be long. We're just gonna pop into the visitor center, grab a few things, and then get out of here. And but we just wanted to check in with you guys, show you where we're at, show you what's going on. We'll talk to you later on. See ya.
I have no idea. Whoever built it sucks.
Oh my god.
It's terrible.
This is terrible.
Smile! Hi! All right, so we just rolled into a TA truck stop, and we just fixed our generator. So if you're on the road and you have things happen, there are ways around it. We ordered a part on Amazon, had it sent to a town just outside of Las Vegas. Got our little $13 part. It was like a 10-minute fix.
Very convenient.
Yeah, it was a voltage regulator. We did some diagnostics on it, called a couple people, and determined it was a voltage regulator. So went on Amazon, ordered a part, like I said, $13. Had it sent to a locker. It was like 5 minutes off the road. Went and picked up the part. As soon as we pulled into the truck stop, while Jen was in there popping outside and getting stuff ready inside, I just went around back and pulled the cover off, changed out the voltage regulator, fired it up, and everything works. So we're back to good to go. We have power, so that'll make it a lot better when we're boondocking. But
and he could use his CPAP, and I don't have to hear him snoring.
and there's that. I get to use my CPAP, and she doesn't have to hear me snore.
Yeah.
So we'll both get a good
part.
night's sleep tonight. But we're gonna get some dinner. It's 8:45, something like that. So yeah, almost 9 o'clock. So we're gonna grab some dinner, chill out for a minute, and then get some sleep, and then we're headed to Redwood or Sequoia. Yeah, Sequoia National Forest tomorrow. So we'll go get to see some big trees. So
See ya.
anyway, we'll check in the morning. See ya.